This course is about mastering the transition from simple prototypes to production-grade RAG systems. We tackle the critical scaling, debugging, and security challenges that standard tutorials often ignore. It's a comprehensive walk through the entire RAG pipeline, from vector database optimization and observability to advanced agentic and multimodal architectures. By the end, you'll know how to make sure your AI applications are robust, secure, and ready for deployment. So, you follow a RAG tutorial. It worked on 10 documents, but then you decide to add 10,000 documents and everything broke. Sound familiar? Here's the thing, 90% of RAG systems out there fail in production, and they all fail for the same reasons. In this course, we're not just going to build a RAG system. I know most of you have built plenty of RAG systems that don't actually work. We're going to do something different. We're going to debug it, optimize it, and scale it for production. Here's what we'll cover. The first part is building the foundation. We'll go over documents, chunks, embeddings, and vector stores. The second part is all about the 5 main failure modes of RAG systems, why RAG breaks, and how to fix each one of them. Parts 3 and 4 are about optimizing what we've built. First optimizing for quality, then scaling for production. In Part 5 we'll build a complete RAG system, and in Part 6 we'll look at the current cutting-edge stack: agentic RAG, graph RAG, contextual retrieval, and of course multimodal RAG. Here's my promise. By the end, you'll have a production-ready RAG that actually works. Assuming you finish the course, but that's on you. Alright, let's build. Let's get started with a full RAG overview. The idea is that we have a user query, an input question comes in. Stripping away all the intricacies, we want to get information from a database. We find relevant documents through a retriever, then combine the query and that retrieved context with a prompt, and feed it to the large language model to generate the answer. So the response is grounded in the relevant documents, and all of that is driven by the vector store, where we have embedded documents indexed for search. The key concept to keep in mind is that RAG grounds the large language model's responses in actual documents, which reduces hallucination. The model won't just go off and make things up. Here's a basic RAG chain. We have the question and the context coming in as parallel inputs, and we chain those into a prompt template before passing everything to the large language model. In most cases, we then use an output parser to parse and customize our output, so we can control exactly how the response comes out. The context comes from the retriever, but it all has to be driven by the question. The question goes through what we call a runnable pass-through, which just means, don't modify it, keep it as original as possible. In the prompt template, we ground the model with the instructions it needs, answer based only on the retrieved context and the user's unchanged question, so the large language model can generate the response.